Well, hello and welcome to Save Our Stuff. This PlayStation 5 controller has a problem. The X button doesn't work. Let me show you. If I connect it to my computer and I go to the website gamepadtester.com, you see that every button does work, only the X button doesn't work. So let's open it up. Well, could be the problem that this film is not well. Let's look under the microscope. There's a bit corrosion there, so let's clean that up and test it with some. Clean it with some IPA and cotton swab. Now it's gone. You see, it's gone. I have to replace that film. So let's do that. That's the film. Now let's grab a new one. This is the new one. Okay, put it back in the case. And before I close it completely, let's test it. Yes, all buttons are working again. So let's close it. Well, there you go, another item saved from the bin. This PlayStation 5 controller is now working again. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.